In our tutorial today, we'll be looking at equations in machines. Before we proceed, we need to define what a machine is. A machine is any device that simplifies or reduces human effort. Every machine is designed in such a way that small effort can overcome a large load. Now, let's look at some terms that are common or that are used in describing all types of machines. Number one is the mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage is the ratio of load to the effort. Load over effort can also be called force ratio, which means that mechanical advantage is force ratio. The load that we have is what we call the output force, while effort is the input force. Therefore, mechanical advantage is load over effort. Now, with this definition, we find out that mechanical advantage has no unit because of the force ratio. The second one is what we call the velocity ratio. Velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is defined as the ratio of distance moved by effort to distance moved by load. Distance moved by effort over distance moved by load. If you reverse the velocity ratio, 1 over velocity ratio, it will also change the distance moved by load and the distance moved by effort. So therefore, velocity ratio is unitless. It has no unit. Efficiency is the third one. Efficiency is defined as the ratio of useful work done by a machine to useful work that we put into the machine, which is simply means work output over work input multiplied by 100. We use 100 because for a machine with its efficiency, it is always in 100%. So let's look at the relationship between mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and this efficiency. From the definition of efficiency, we have work output over work input. Now, efficiency is load multiplied by distance moved by load over effort and distance moved by the effort multiplied by 100%. For what we have discussed, we have changed it to load multiplied by distance moved by the load according to the formula. Let's now link it to what? To mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. Efficiency of machine is equal to mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times 100. This is the definition of efficiency apart from the work output and the work input. Efficiency is measured in percentage, while the MA we have there is the mechanical advantage. It is unitless. Velocity ratio is also unitless. So in our next video, we'll be talking about the types of machine and the equations that are related to them one after the other. And we now look at the way we can pick each of these equations to solve some problems that are related